Hello and welcome. Today we're gonna do a special kind of product today, and it's not oil. Today what I'm going to do is to make a perfume, and before you have seen that we do the perfume compound, and a lot of people when they make perfume, they make them using that perfume compound, the oil version of it. So today normally what they do is that they use ethyl alcohol, ethanol, and the ethanol is roughly 80%. The remaining is 20% of whatever quantity they're making. It's the compound, the oil compound. So the way we do the perfume is different, because if you learn how to make the compound, you can use the alcohol first, and then use all the oil ingredients, the compound ingredients within the alcohol, and then your perfume is there. So it's one way or another, but the way we do it, it works for us, because we can control the tones, we can control fixatives, we can control the solvents, and a lot of things that you can't manage if you just use a perfume compound which is already made before, and then you mix it with the alcohol. So it's problematic at times. For example, it won't last very long time. The silage, for example, what's the distance of the perfume smell? For example, if you are walking and people are from 3 to 4 feet away from you, they still can smell. That's a silage. What's the radius around a person wearing the perfume, of the perfume? So let's just start by adding. Okay, one thing I need to clarify: we use 30% of the oil compound at time. There's a limit how much oil compound can be used in a perfume spray, because if you use the perfume bottles, if it's too much oil in it, you're wasting a lot of perfume oil compound, or the perfume spray will not spray the way it should be. The ideal spray, it's I can show you quickly. So I'm spraying this. It's an impression of Burberry London. So you see this. I don't know if you can see the bottle. So if I spray it, it needs to be in a mist kind of a form. If there is too much oil in the spray bottle, then you won't be able to create that kind of spray, the mist kind of thing. Because if it's a mist form, then you smell, then the perfume is right consistency. Okay, so let's start with our on base. I've uploaded a video of how to make those bases, and I'm gonna use the same base. And there's a lot of things already in the perfume base. It's not just alcohol. And so we've done a lot of work as a base first, right? So a lot of things are already there, bear in mind. So when I'm making this perfume, you can follow the video where we made the base. So we have two kind of base. One is the oud, another one is for our aquatic family perfumery, or different kind of perfume will require different kind of base. For this one, I'm going to use the oud base perfume alcohol, and let's begin. So this is the perfume base, and that's 700 ml, and the quantity that we are aiming for is 1 liter or 1000 ml. So the remaining, you will see, is the compound, and obviously we need to mix a lot of things in the, and then we start with those things which are hard to mix. For example, the citral acetate, they are the crystal forms. So in the next section I'm going to give you the quantities as well.